How to log into Canva account on phone. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Canva login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Click on this one website, canva.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Canva. You'll see this pop up, continue in the app. Click on stay on web. Now at the top left corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Then click on the option of login. Now using any of these options, you can easily log into your account. You can continue with Google, email, Apple, Facebook, or click on the option of continue another way. You can use Microsoft account, Clever, or your mobile number. Now you can use the option that you have used to create your Canva account. After you click on it, now you have to provide the credentials. I have selected the Google account. Type in your email address and then password. Click on continue. And just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Canva account on phone. This was really simple and quick process. Also, you can download the Canva app and you can follow the same process and log into your account. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.